Okay, this is in response to the video here. Breezy CZ wrote about the this atheist proving there was no God. I have to say, one of the things that was a good point was which God. And in the text comments below your video, someone said, which of the 4,600 gods, at least, are we talking about? Secondly, you make a point about atheism and agnosticism, and have a few things to say about that. One is that agnosticism has nothing to do with atheism or theism. Some people mistakenly use it as an intermediate point between agnosticism and, between atheism and theism. It's not. It has to do about knowing and not knowing, as also is in the text comments below your video, and is in an excellent summary by Go Green 18 in a video. Agnosticism has to do with knowing or not knowing. You can be an atheist Gnostic or an atheist agnostic, like that, or theist agnostic. Further, you looked up the word, or you looked up words in the dictionary and repeatedly said, if you believe the dictionary. It's not a matter of believing the dictionary. It's a matter of making sure that the definition fits what's being discussed at the time. Specifically, when you looked up the word God, you had one response, which was a transcendent being that possibly created the universe, and then you had a number of other choices. When looking up quite a number of words, you can find words that are on definitions that are on subject and ones that are off subject. It's not a matter of believing the dictionary. It's a matter of understanding which definition we're using to discuss what we're discussing. You had looked up the word theist, which is a belief in a god, and monotheism, which is a subsection of that, as part of this. At the very end of the video, you make this odd comment where you say that, I guess I'd prove there's a God. And actually you didn't. This is a fallacy that I see frequently in this kind of argument. Can you prove there isn't a God? Well, therefore he must exist. No, the group of postulated things will always exceed what is real. And extraordinary claims require extraordinary proof. And further, this gets to an accusation that's often plied onto atheists, which is that they deny the existence of God. No, it isn't as easy as that. What it is that the evidence for a transcendent being that created the universe and has certain attributes as listed in various religious texts lacks evidence of existence. If you're going to claim something's there, you're going to have to provide proof. Denying that this exists is simply saying the proof has provided is inadequate and the jury is still out. Unlike the religious, who have a 2,000-year-old book of mythology and hold it up as the absolute truth, which never has to be examined, who says it's true, so it must be true, right? Atheists investigate, look at the evidence, and in the cases of existence of God, find it wanting.